Video we're going to be talking about dilations. And so I'm set up here on GeoGebra, and I'm going to choose to do my dilation. I'm going to dilate triangle BCD from point A, which is at 0, 0. I'm going to choose to make it 2 times the size. So what does it mean to make a figure 2 times the size by dilation? Well, notice that when I went from point A and counted to point C, I had to count just 1 unit. Now to go from A to its image, I had to count 2 units. So the distance has doubled. To go from A to B, I had to count over 3 units. To get to B's image, I had to count over 6 units. And so again, its distance doubled. To get to D, I count up 1 and left 2. To get to its image, I count up 2 and left 4. So again, it's doubled in its distance to get from the dilation point A. So D had the ordered pair -2, 1. Its image had the ordered pair -4, 2. So if I doubled the -2 and doubled the 1, then there we are. Now things kind of shift around as I change where A sits. I believe I can do that. So A, which was at 0, 0, I can move it around now. And so as I get it further away from triangle BCD, it becomes, or its dilation becomes, further away as well. Now notice the figure isn't changing in size, it's still 2 times the size, it's just changing where it sits compared to where point A is. Now to go from A to C, I had to go up 2 and left 1. From A to its image, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and left 2. From A to B, I go up 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. And to get to B's image, up 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left, and so on. So let's talk about the area of the figure here. So this figure has an area of 1. If I do my height of 1, a base length of 2, half of 2 times 1 is 1. This figure, we dilate it to be 2 times the size, but that's in each length. So if each length is 2 times the size, then its area will be 4 times the size instead. Right? What if we talk about changing our dilation? So let me dilate again, and I'll dilate from I'll dilate this figure again from point A, and this time let's do it to be half the size. And so there it is, all this information down here. So there's the image of B, there's D, there's C. And so each, and its area is 0.25, right? So the original figure had an area of 1. We dilate it to half the size, so the area would be 1/4 the area, because each side length is 1/2 of the size it used to be. This figure used to have a length of 2, now it has a length of 1. This, to go to point C, I'd go up 1 and left 1/2 instead of going up 2 and left 1/2. Okay, and again, as I move A around, it's going to change how far, that's fun, it's going to change how far each of my triangles are from A. Okay, and I could put the center of dilation right in the middle of this triangle, and they'll all grow from that point A wherever I move it.